Hi, I wanted to give you a quick update on some numbers here in the real estate market for the month of November. Right now in Bucks County, we're seeing about 127 new active listings in the last 7 days. We've got about 65 under contract and 108 closed in the last 7 days. Not a ton of transactions going on. We do have plenty of buyers out there looking. We're holding open houses. We're getting good turnouts for any open house below the 800,000 mark. It's pretty active. When we get up above that and into the $1 million range, things are a little bit more quiet. We're not seeing as many people turn out for those open houses. And also those prices of those homes, they're not going well over asking. The ones that are below the 800, more in the 500 range in Central Bucks, we are seeing a lot of multiple offers still and buyers willing to go above the asking price. This past week, we did see interest rates come down from the 8% down into the 7.5, 7.75. So that was very promising. I think a lot of buyers reached out to their lenders to get their pre-approvals updated, and we're hoping to maybe buy something while the rate was ticked down a little bit. So advice for buyers out there, just get pre-qualified for a home that you can afford and start maybe making a few concessions on what it is you want in the home. And then as far as sellers out there, if you are in a position to sell, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the price you can get in this market. So if you have any other questions about your particular home, you know how to reach out. Take care and have a wonderful Thanksgiving.